This is a crochet edge pattern that I found a while back. It's very easy, and if you just want to make a crochet pattern, a real quick one, edge, this is a good option. So you will join first of all, you have to turn your work. It has to be, you have to have the back side or the wrong side facing you, and you're going to make a slip knot and go ahead and attach it anywhere. It doesn't matter where, you just attach it anywhere, and you're going to do a single crochet. Then next you're going to do a treble crochet, and it's going to be in the next stitch. Then in the next stitch you'll do a single crochet, and then a treble crochet in the next one. You don't skip any stitches. It goes just single crochet, treble, single crochet, treble, single crochet, treble, and you do it all around until you're back at where you started, and you just attach your yarn. And this is what it looks like. So I hope you learned something new, and thank you for watching.